crew, we're flying to New Zealand, okay?
Okay.
But we have to tell the passengers what to do and what not to do in the plane, okay? So, to do this in your class, you can use our cheat sheet with a little summary of airplane safety instructions that we'll put here for now. Number one thing to do this activity is we're going to assign TPR to the different sentences. So, welcome aboard, we'll do welcome aboard. Everybody, welcome aboard. The seatbelt, we'll do seatbelt, like this. Seatbelt, okay? The emergency exits are located at the front, center, and back of the plane. Okay. The oxygen mask. What is the TPR?
No.
Yes. If oxygen mask drop, yes, place them on your mouth and nose. Okay. Turn off electronic devices. What can we do? This? Like. Okay, so this and this. Okay, turn off your electronic devices. Okay, cool. We remind you. Smoking. How can we do smoking? Smoking is forbidden. Forbidden. Okay. Enjoy your flight. How can we say enjoy your flight? Like this. Enjoy your flight. No. Enjoy. Okay. Enjoy your flight. Are you ready to read this together?
Yes.
Okay, we need to be very convincing. And 1, 2, 3. Welcome aboard! Please fasten your seatbelts. The emergency exits are located at the front, center, and back of the plane. If oxygen mask drops, place them on your mouth and nose. Turn off your electronic devices. We remind you, smoking is forbidden on this plane. Enjoy your flight with Kiwi Airlines. Okay, awesome guys, great. But are we on a plane right now? No, we're in a classroom. So maybe we should do the safety instructions for this classroom. No?
Okay.
Let's invent them together so we can say, oh, the emergency exits are located where? Where are they?
Right behind.
Okay, behind. And can we smoke here?
No.
No. So with your group, you can invent a lot of things to do or not to do in your classroom. So you have a safety instruction, a video to show everyone before they enter the class. Okay, have fun. Bye.